This is a brief overview of MathLab for the school year. What is MathLab? MathLab is a time built into the school day to receive extra help from a math teacher. It takes place during rock time and will meet all block days. It's a place you can go to make up tests and quizzes during the school day as well. How do you sign up? You sign up for MathLab using a Google form, just like when you want to go to the library during rock time. The link to this Google form is available on the Student Rocky Run Google site, as well as should be posted in your rock time teacher's room and on your math teacher's Google Classroom or Blackboard site. When can you sign up? Again, we follow the same procedure as the library does for rock time sign up. You can sign up anytime after lunch for the following session. Sign-ups will close at the end of the third period for that day and reopen after lunch. Space is limited, so sign up early if you plan to attend. Where do you go? MathLab meets in Miss Roller's room, but first you need to go to your rock time teacher and show them that you have a pass, which is the email you received when you filled out the Google form. Once you show them your computer, you can report to MathLab before the travel bell rings at 10:05 and show Miss Roller the same pass. Miss Roller's room is 326. Do you still have questions? Feel free to reach out to Mrs. Roller or ask your math teacher. Thank you.